Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash, and today I wanted to show you a check valve injector and also show you a couple other tips. All right, let's take a look. All right, working on an injector here. I switched somebody out and did a high draw for them, but this is just the regular general pump 2.3 injector. Looking at this, I found something interesting. I just wanted to show you if it can focus. See all that black? So bleach is a corrosive. This is brass. And anybody that does not rinse out their injector, bleach sat in this one time. This is brand new as of like last week. I pulled this out, set it on my workbench, figured I would come back to it because I'm going to upgrade it to the check valve injector setup. But look at that, one time. So if there's that much corrosion on the outside, imagine what happens to these things if you don't rinse them out. So this is what comes in them. If I can show you there, there's the little ball. It runs off the Venturi effect. That ball helps it open up if I don't lose it here. But this is all metal, so if your injector's not working, there's a good chance that this thing got corroded up and it's not moving back and forth how it's supposed to. So taking that out, and then what we do is we pull this piece off right there, and then this is a special piece. You won't find this in any stores. This is a special thread, the way General Pump did this. So this would go onto here. If I can do this while I'm in camera. Of course, we'll put some Teflon or thread locker on this. So it's a very fine thread. And then this is the check valve here. You see that arrow there? You want to make sure that points down. So that would go onto here. And then the last piece, this is a stainless barb, and then this goes on to here. And I will seal this all up off of camera, but this is called a check valve injector. You're not gonna have to deal with, the ball and the spring, so it takes out that fail point. We get a lot longer out of these injectors than we did with just the regular General Pump. We do sell these. We have a little online store. It's not much right now. It's just in the small beginnings, but expertpowerwashstore.com. Take a look there. But all these parts are stainless. So the piece that goes into the check valve all the way up to the check valve to the barb. So the injector is not included in the kit that we sell there. You'll see it on the site. It's just gonna be this piece, and that piece. Most people have an old injector or it stopped working. Maybe throw it in a toolbox. Try taking off this piece and take out the ball and the spring and put one of these new check valves in there. It'll really open it up and give you a stronger draw on your downstream. Hopefully it helps you guys. Hope you're all having a good season and gearing up for spring. We'll see you in another video.